typical to Ladakh. Very pretty stuff. Oh, I love that pashmina shawl rug, whatever that is. वो कितने की है भैया? ये भी पश्मीना ही है क्या? ये पश्मीना ही है क्या वुल है?
पश्मीना अलग है मैडम।
ओ ये क्या है?
कौन सा याक है?
नहीं वो
मैरिनो वुल।
ओ वो कितने का है?
4,327 कुछ रुपए का बताओ।
ओ बाप।
पोचू।
अच्छा पोंचो ना? हाँ।
पोचू है। सॉल है, सॉल चाहिए तो ये है, अंगूरा में है।
अच्छा
पश्मीना में चाहिए तो पश्मीना 40% पर हमारा अंदर रखा है, आपको चाहिए तो।
अच्छा ये क्या है?
ये अंगूरा।
अब ये कितने का? हाँ
ये मैडम 1800 कुछ रुपए का है। आपको डिस्काउंट 1,000 मतलब 1100 रुपए करीब पड़ेगा।
अच्छा। I feel like I need to cut my trip to Delhi Hat short because it looks like it's going to pour. Let's find out how much the same bag is. भैया वो वाला कितने का है जो कॉर्नर में है? हाँ
2200 का है मैम, 20% डिस्काउंट है।
2200 का
जी।
ये क्या लेदर है?
बफेलो लेदर है।
कुछ नहीं होगा उसको? कितने साल तक कुछ नहीं होगा? कितने साल तक डैमेज नहीं होगा ये?
मैम डैमेज तो कभी भी नहीं होता ये,
कभी भी नहीं होता?
लाइफ टाइम यूज करिए से कभी डैमेज नहीं होता ये।
पक्की बात?
पक्का मैम।
अच्छा। There's still like lot of things to see around and shop for. So oh, such pretty mirrors. Look at the mirrors. And this is the latest pot stands. You put mini plantas on these and they look really pretty. That shop has ceramic knobs and things like that. Small stools. And you use it. Oh, look at this tic-tac-toe box. How cool. I wonder how much these are. ये सारे कितने के होंगे भाई? ये वाली 250 का. So you're saying this is 250. I do want to do one wall in the house with one of these prints. I really like this one. It's nice. Should I go for a smaller print? Should I go for something so bold? I could try this at home. This looks nice. It's heavy though. That's the problem. Again, weight is a problem. Carrying it is a problem. Oh, incense sticks. I always love incense sticks. They've got rose, mogra, lavender. ये सारे कितने के आते हैं? अगर 150. These are all 150. Bit expensive. Then you have these vegetable dye cotton kurtis. I don't know what these prints are called exactly, but they're really pretty. You have more here. Oh, that's neat. Like some material, really pretty. I don't want to pay double for the things that I bargained and bought for a reasonable price. I'm probably gonna, I will weigh everything at home. If there's too much, I'll leave some behind to collect the next time I come to Delhi, or if my uncle's traveling, something like that. Let's see.
इसके 12 बजे से लेकर शाम 5 बजे के बीच आप इस कलेक्शन ड्राइव का हिस्सा बन सकते हैं। इसमें आप अपने घरों से कपड़े, ऊन, कंबल, ड्राई राशन, स्कूली सामग्री जो
should I not? Kashmiri blankets. Oh, how cute. These are blankets, guys, not shawls. A lot of running around happening. Oh. अच्छा, कितने के बेडशीट?
हम 1000 रुपए की कोई सी भी ले लीजिए।
ओके, वेरी नाइस बेडशीट।
इसमें अलग-अलग कलर डिजाइन मिल जाएंगे आपको और
आएंगे। ये सारे कितने के हैं भाई? कितने के हैं? 750. Oh, अच्छा. This is washable. 750 bucks. Very pretty. ये सारे कितने के हैं? ये छोटे वाले?
ये वाला मैम 850 का है आपका डिस्काउंट।
अच्छा, स्टार्टिंग ही उतना है.
छोटे ही आते हैं तो सेल हो
छोटे वाले मैडम शनिवार संडे में ज़्यादातर सेल हो जाते हैं, देखिए.
भीड़ आती है ना,
हाँ.
बजाते हुए सब सेल हो जाते हैं, लगते ही नहीं।
ओ. और बड़े वाले?
बड़े वाले 2700 रुपए के, 1500 के, 5000।
अच्छा.
ये लोग है ना मैडम, मैं कम करता हूँ.
They have this beautiful bags again. ये सारे कितने के हैं? ऊपर है?
1800.
Okay.
The round ones are 1500.
Okay, okay. And these?
These are all in German silver. They are in the earrings are in the range of 600 to 900.
Oh, okay, okay. Sure. Very pretty. Chokers also really nice. Then we have these snacks. Thepla, papda, khakra. They have chips. नहीं टेस्ट नहीं, थैंक यू. This has all the digestive. अच्छा. True. Only issue with this is a lot of it is kept in the open and in the sun. That's my only problem with these. What are these? Stools? That's pretty. But again, I would never use it. I am so flimsy by nature that I can never carry off a dupatta or a stole or anything that is not. Even I'm like really bad with draping sarees and managing them. Still haven't got the hang of it completely. Oh, look at these earrings. I don't know what work this is again. It says, I'm sure these aren't silver. There's still a lot more stalls. They have stalls with pearls. I'm basically pretty much done because A, I'm getting in the way of people who are packing and leaving, and B, I finished all my money. Oh, that's pretty. Again, no room for more stuff. These are really nice things. They have some flutes. The girls will like the flutes. So I couldn't pick up anything for the girls. I promised Anya I'll come back with some toys because I thought I could buy some wooden toys for her. These guys have some really nice earrings too. But I'm not looking for danglers. Oh, that's pretty. Moving on. They have some scented candles, some scents. Hey. Sorry? क्या परफ्यूम है? इतर्स भी. अच्छा. We're having dinner from Beros today. Beros biryani. This is 2.3 kgs of boneless murg. What murg? Buna murg. Laziz buna murg biryani. This is a Mughlai gravy. This is 2 portions. This came free with the biryani, 5 pieces, and I ordered 1 extra, 6. So 6 pieces.
I want to eat this.
Yes, wait, don't touch, please. Then this is the mint raita for the biryani. Then this is the buna. What? No, this is the falafel. This is the falafel, which was complimentary with the dish, with the meal. This is I forgot. Oh, kefta, murg kefta, 9 pieces. So this is a pretty good deal. So all this for 1,500, pretty reasonable. This was complimentary. The total bill was 1,700 plus I got 200 off. So 1,500 for so much food is amazing. Can't wait to dig in.